I knew I wanted to say something. I just don't know what to say. Hi. I'm so confused. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't understand what is going on right now. Like, I usually have a firm hold over the shit that I'm doing. Now is just wow. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. Yo. And the fact that I'm trying to find myself, ne? Whatever it is that is being projected towards me, I analyze it like this time it's a deep analysis, you know? Like I go deep in trying to understand why you feel hore, what you think I should be doing is right. Why do you feel hore, what do you think is right? You know? I mean, it's a vent again. I mean, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think is going on here for you to feel that is right? Do you think I'm just waiting? I don't understand. I don't understand what's going on. Mm-mm. Please, please explain what the hell is going on. Can you do it? Oh, another plan. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna come through for a week and then go for a week. Come through for a week and then go for a week. You know? Yeah, man. Because you every day. What? Every day. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I exist too. Okay, I got shit to do too. Damn, man, you can't be projecting so much things on me and then being like, I should. Huh, man. I should what? What makes you think that your I should is right compared to my I should? You know? Hey, man. Hey. Hey, Mia. Uh-uh. Yo, uh-uh. Nah, man. Nah, man. I gotta go. I need guap. Jeez, I need guap to get out of here. Because, hey. Yo, uh-uh. Excuse, could you be truth? I can't put it down because it's a sign of disrespect in my little world. It's disrespect to the health mask, blah blah blah. So I have it in my hand. I gotta finish it. Putting it down is a crime in my universe. So yeah. Oh, Jolo. Right. It's fine. Linaga Jol. Badung. I've had the longest week ever. Easter weekend this year. Oh, yes, it's Easter. Yeah, that was another week. Mm-mm-mm. It was so fucking heavy. I felt so pressed. I can't do nothing. There. Badung. I've never felt so trapped in my life. Wow. It's like every move I made was very calculated. Like it was so calculated to the point where I was like, I'm not what is this? Mathematicist. If I am I right? I don't know. If I'm wrong, at least I acknowledge one. Yeah, I'm not gonna give you any problems in activating whichever one you think is right or into this story. It's fine. I understand on both of them. But yeah, man, I don't. Dude, you know, I can't be calculating this much on a regular day. Ah, it's a freaking regular day. Why am I working? Why am I expected to think and calculate? Hey, yeah. Yeah. Jesus. What's going on? What's going on? What's wrong? Every time I post a new video, the first comment is a site. It's a number and a site. I don't understand. Like, why? And then like this is the site. It does not go well with the community guidelines on YouTube. So how am I supposed to feel? Like I'm trying to uphold my image here. And you out here posting such things. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to sabotage me? Like, I'm trying to secure the bag, man. Why are you doing this to me? How could you do that, bro? I don't even know you, man. Damn. Gosh. But anyway, hey man. Kinagang. What am I looking for, Vel? Kinagang, Vel. Oh, nagventa, ne? Nagventa. Ke feditse ho venta. That's why ke le mo zero. Okay. Zero, 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 zero. I say gentlemen. It's a beautiful day. Very nice, very nice. It's white, blue and white skies. Don't ask why I like talking about the weather. If you already did. So, I don't know. It's just something that I do. I told you I have ample time on my hands, so I noticed the other things, not just on National Geographic. No, 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 no. Like in real life. Yeah, yeah. I notice the ones that are around me all the time. All the time. Yeah, spiders, ants, roaches, big, big scissor. No, no, not even a scissor hole. Yeah, two scissor holes. Like the holes you find on any scissor that you cut papers with. And those holes, it's a roach. A very, very shiny roach. Like it's shiny. You know? Yeah. So yeah, man, I recognize a lot. That's why even the weather just jumps in like, push. I'm here, bitch. So yeah. Yeah, but then it was a long weekend, eh? It was a long weekend. I've never looked forward to a week like this. My Francis, I've never, ever in my life thought I would do this. What? Everybody was just everywhere all the time this weekend, this week, this past week. Oh, where Easter weekend for me? Ah, yeah, yeah. There were no Easter eggs. It was not merry. It was business. Shit, man. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, Easter eggs. The only time we go to like an Easter egg, is pregnant woman. I did like go pep. Otherwise, kids any go pick and pay. Kids any go checkers. Kids any go. Why kids any go to plug and send cheese? So naging what was I looking? Oh, naging sauce. Naging sauce. Yes, teas. Yeah, Greek. A cream. Yeah, naging sauce. Next thing go pick and pay. Next thing go checkers. Kikrile go guy. Kikrile go game. And should you not, like, nobody was buying Easter eggs. What the fuck? What is that? Nah, bruh. It's groceries. Do you want a sandwich? I can buy you a sandwich. Fuck the egg, bruh. The only time I heard about it was go pep and then they got plaga. Yo guys, I'm a hoodie noisy. Yo, this world now. It's so funny. Yo, this weekend. And like, no, thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening to this. Like, this is actually me venting and going to a happy place. Okay. But anyway, this weekend was hella funny. Yo, let me tell you about my weekend. Yo. Oh, I had to get the bad stuff out of the way because, like, the good stuff is. so. What is this? It started Friday. It started Friday, eh? Yeah, Friday was what? Good Friday. Yeah. It started Thursday and like, dude, you're just going about your year, you know? Every day is every day. And then you're just like, it's whatever. Well, this was me this weekend. I didn't even know Jorge Easter weekend. First of all, let's start there. On Thursday, what was I doing? I think I was ne ke phutha diaparo ka mo kamoreng ya ne ke phutha diaparo ka mo kamoreng because ne di tletse mo stulong a bo so ke busy fela ke phutha diaparo and then what did I see? What did I? Oh yeah, I cut a calendar. I took a calendar ko spa. Enyano wena tsetsa ka mo spatching tse ba nahanang hore re na le tsona. That timetable. That one. So I cut it, abo. And then I pasted ka mo otropong. La hore vele ne ke nyaka calendar, abo. But enyane, eseng e gima ka morao ha lebati di color ajo. I'm simple. It's one color or two, three, four, two, three. Yeah, it's three colors in my room. That's it. And when one it dominate. So it's fine. I like that. I like that. No, I can't have a calendar. Green, red, bright red, yellow. You know those ones that used to flip. No, no. So I cut the calendar and then I like hoyed kamotropong. And I see the date is circled. About the Friday is circled and the Friday is tomorrow. So I'm trying to understand what okay. Tomorrow's a holiday. What's going on? Oh, I take what is this? Yo, like guys, this year I don't give a fuck about holidays. Hey, Joe, after 2020, hey, what? Oh, look at God. Yeah. Yes, golden years in Mzansi. Choo, 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 choo. So, I look it up and he goes, it's a Good Friday. And I remember, man, it's Ghana. This holiday. Why is it tomorrow though? Like, is it already April? What the hell? Where what? Malamanyana almost nearly 20s of January. Rama April. Oh wow. This makes no sense. So after that realization, I realized we could see everybody's gonna be home now. It's not just gonna be you and a couple of other things. It's gonna be you and gang people. The it has been until it has been a Tuesday. I declare until Friday. Come high knows not dustbin and dustbin naked. So sometimes I know quality with dustbin. You know, holiday man. Holiday man. Yo guys, what is this? What is this? I don't understand. See, it does back to what I said at the beginning when I said I'm confused at what's going on right now. I don't understand what's going on right now. Like, to be honest, you know, I don't know. Hey, if I did my brain, I drove so reckless. I felt so bad. It was good driving it, but when I parked the car, when I parked the car, I realized look, I probably pissed a lot of people off on the road yesterday. I probably pissed a lot of people. Yo, I just had to shit. You know what I mean? Like I'm having a long weekend. Fuck you, bruh. To everybody I've wronged on the road driving nonsense yesterday, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I was just having a moment. You know, I was having a moment where it was either I release or I kill, you know. And I'm of sound mind. I know. I think. Probably am. That's what I choose to believe. I choose the former. But if I'm wrong, I'm open to criticism, you know? But it's fine, Joe. At the end of the day, it's what I believe that matters. So, it's not a big deal. Anyway, to everybody though that I've you guys yesterday I drove trash. Like yo. I could really chill yesterday. But it feels so good to be so reckless and being able to control that shit. Ah Joe. Ah highway. Heck it. Joe, it's like no, it's hype songs. It's these hype songs, man. I get hyped. I get hyped. Like hyped. I'm a NASCAR fucking racer, bruh. I'm sorry for that. I'm a NASCAR racer. Yo. Highway, akayibona mamani. Yo, akayibona mamani. Batho ka di-bright, ke busy. Yo, I drove trash. Hey, I drove trash. Yo. I'm sure a lot of people were pissed with me because I had to take break. Yo, Lena. Yo. And thing is, I'm very calculative, so I already saw the. That is why I was like, why did everything feel like it's their time to shine? Except mine. I just wanted to be at home this weekend. I just wanted to be at home and meditate. No, meditate where? Who are you? Hey, when yo, I'm the fucking car. Fix that shit. I'm the fucking phone. Fix that. I'm sorry for cussing. Yo, I was, yo, this weekend was long. Keep it busy. Get loads of redundant. Yo, I couldn't wait for it to end. Like it was vice versa for me. It wasn't a weekend. It was a week. Now it's my weekend. Now it's my weekend. Hey, yo, ah. It was a lot going on. Yo, yeah, but I'm glad that it's over. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good weekend. I hope you guys had a good Easter weekend, eh? Cause mine no. So yeah, man. Like I said, that's why I don't know if I said it. I don't know if I already posted that video because yo guys, come quickly post that message. Yeah, I already posted the video. If so, since I've been on YouTube and then heck for you ke ye ko founung ke nyake and then when ke one day to go booking yo guys these past few days I'm tech savvy too. It's another thing that happened. I've been trying to make space on my phone, so I've been using the laptop to like hoy all the other things that I don't need on my phone so that I can make space and make more things to put on my laptop so that I can laptop crashed. Yo, laptop crashed during startup. Yo, yathoma, yatima, yadiagnosa, yafixa discs, yo, ke so like control panel. Uyirang, kirileng vele. He wena ngiyithi CMD. Muthamudimo. Guys, so otlhetlhile this weekend. They got the computer when I was there. Wena, yay. Tima ke ntsha battery ke ntsha le hey ke busy mothamdimo ke busy yo computer ya shuma jile e shumile e create account e lobetse pin set up pin Microsoft account wa tota yo sign in ha nya go sign in Microsoft ya bula ya kwala tshwanetse CMD nkosi yami restart. Yo, Lord. Yo. Hi, a lot of things happened. Hey, yo, a lot of things happened this week. Yo, I'm so tired. I even asked for 3 hours yesterday. Like I was so tired. I was so tired. Yo, I was so tired that I like told everybody, you know what, guys, ngala nimpe a break at 3 hours, 3 hours, just three, where I could do anything I want, you know, because this whole time I've been doing everything you guys want, you know. Ow, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hi, yeah, you've been busy this week. Yo, if it's just quiet, it's just quiet. There's no kids, there's no dogs, there's no vans, there's no trucks. Do you hear this? Yo, my weekend was congested. Like a blocked nose. That one congested nostril. It was that. Ah, ah, ah. Uh-uh. Yo, hi, kir, hur, kir, ay. Calculated steps the whole week. I never thought I'd say this in my life, but yo, I'm so glad that the Easter weekend is over. Yo, thank God. Oh, thank God. That Easter week is gone. Yo, hi. No, man. This is nice. Habe akuvuri nugabana parasa pashiana. You know how a flock. Is it a flock of birds or is it a flock of sheep? I don't know. Birds flying. Birds of the same feather. I don't know what they call a group of birds, but hey, man, it's the no, it's fine. But you know how birds just fly together in. Wait, who's this? Ah, he's back. Yeah. Anyway, you know how birds just fly together all the time, and then like, yeah, it was kids, big, small, young, old. They were you. Kids everywhere mabhasikili yo gwa ka mo go humid ebile ga o busy ga ona moya go dry go rwetse ke eng yo ka mo go emotionally ka mo go na le suspense ka mo ke di-thriller yo hi. It was Halloween. It was all other holidays combined for me. It was all other holidays combined for me. I had to celebrate Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, 4th of July, Freedom Day, Women's Day. I had to celebrate all of them at the same time, and I had to have like a different representative of whatever the day is on my body is either an ornament or I don't know. It doesn't matter if it's material. You know, it just had to be for that day to celebrate. And oh gosh, ugh. Yo, I took my 3 hour break. It was so nice. My Easter weekend was 3 hours long. I don't remember the rest. Can neither I don't. Like yo, I don't remember the rest. Yo, guys, this is not okay. Oh well. Red Laren. Eh, I wanted to tell a story. yeah, it's that one. Yeah, having a long day. Yo. So like, I woke up very early, and then the last story that I was talking about, Kotlabong. Yeah, I'm continuing that one. So yeah, bruh, like, King, I woke up early, but I left my room late, and I chose to go with that, well, to drop off CVs. Yeah, bruh, I had to stand in line. Yeah, 1 meter apart. Good department. Go drop a CV. There was a line. A gona ditulo, a gona ditulo, a gona metsi, umbrella. No, 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 no. You just you have to do you, man. Survive. You have to survive to drop your CV off. Otherwise, ain't nobody gonna give a damn about you. What? Yo, we all trying to secure the bag. Like, yo, there was gang people. There was gang people. Yo, hi, okay. So now there's others who are asking questions. You know, when you fill in an application form, there's questions that you don't wanna that you have to like answer. You know, like which what is the reference number? You have to look it up. It's like you working to get work. You know what I mean? Yeah, you working to get work. Fuck you, man. What you can you work? You working already. What are you doing? It's just at my own expense because now I have to print at my own expense and I don't even have the money to do that shit, but you expect me to do it. How about home? Come, we can do okay. What is this? Uh, these online applications. Not even, yeah, these online thingamajigs. Hey, but home. Or get, Ah, but home. O tla click-a button solo e sa o ise ko the next link. If it's about it, you must click that button. Mara how you click yona, how you go the next link. So you just stuck there, not knowing what's going on because you now wanna do this and now it's not happening. Come get email or there's no new job positions today. What the hell? And then these other ones. I mean, they ask you for details.